Hey.
So sorry for the delay.
Oh, you're right.
Oh, good. Hey, yeah. Andre. Nice to meet you.
So what's your name?
Andre.
Andre. Nice to meet you.
Portugal.
We were driving in a getaway car.
Just go slow.
We're trying to get gas in Italian.
Sure.
Diesel. Diesel. Diesel.
I think you have to click on which one you want.
Does that handle go up? No.
Do you have to click on it over there?
Oh! Guys, how do we get gas? Okay.
Did I press that? I don't want to be Americans. Busy regulators, verified pistols. You don't put gas in there.
No gas. All natural. Yay!
All by and by, tempted and tried. I wonder why the good man dies, bad man thrives, and Jesus cries 'cause he loves them both. We're all castaways in need of rope, hanging on by the last threads of our hope, in a house, a mirror full of smoke.
We're eating fondue with some Swiss people.
We're eating authentic Swiss food with authentic Swiss people.
Sang along to every chorus of the song that the devil wrote, like a piper at the gate, leading.
I'm Caleb, and we're in Switzerland.
Caleb, right here.
I gotta pan
Caleb,
there.
right here.
On my way.
Caleb, over there. Film that. Film that. Caleb, over there. I'm so excited right now.
Where are we?
I don't even know. I was sleeping. This is probably Edelweiss.
Burden weighs a ton. I'll go down to the river and let it run. Wash away all the things.
The boys, they are just so excited. Woo! To be
Like
here.
scary. Like, you know how Nehemiah gets really weird when he's excited? That I'm excited.
Like when my first graders figure out that they are gonna get an extra recess and start shaking their hands and smiling. He's like that every second. Yeah. It's so funny. I've never seen Nehemiah like this before. They're like running up ahead of us. They were having so much fun right now. If you can't hear them, they are screaming.
Yeah, like this.
All by and by. Oh yeah. La la la.
First couple hours in Switzerland, well, in the mountains. We've been with Lara in the city, and Laura was amazing. Their house is beautiful. They made us fondue. That's amazing. But now we're in the mountains, and I just want to say that the hills are alive.
With the sound of music.
We're gonna see if our van got towed, or, well, you couldn't possibly tow a van down here, but maybe a ticket. We're gonna go see another waterfall because we have options. We're not like a one waterfall type group, you know? We're gonna take this quick shortcut up this hill. This is the part of the trip that Caleb and I get to make a little decision or two. We didn't really get to make very many in Venice.
No hookups tomorrow.
Or Italy. This is the part of the trip where Brenna gets a little upset and she starts talking short with me. And then I have to slap her and show who's, I'm just kidding, no, it's not. No slapping.
Can you look up Edelweiss, what it looks like, please?
And the others fuss, 'cause every knee must bow and tongue confess. The Son of God, He's forever blessed. His is the kingdom and we're the guests. So